Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I would like to share with you how to create animation with your phone with a app called Plotagon. So since I've already installed the app on my phone, I'll just have to open it from the apps here. And if you don't have the app on your phone, you just go to Play Store, search for Plotagon, and it's going to come up. Then you download it. So let's go into the video. Click on the app, start loading. I'll wait for it to load. So I'll just click on this video like icon on the bottom. Then I select a plot. You either select any plot from here to put your video, or you create your own plot. So I just, to make this video very fast, I just select a plot that I had already used before. Which is this. And let me tell you, to create video on Plotagon, you don't need data connection. Just open the app to create video away. So I've already edited that before. You can input what you want to put. That is why I'm still waiting for the video to load. I just showed characters. Okay, it's downloading. So to edit what they say, you type it. Like you type it from here. But never type it, just go away. And that's that they tell you. I'll have to like save it. Save video. It's probably subtitles, it's probably without subtitles. So I just export with subtitles. Play it now, render. I'll wait for some many videos to be ready. I'll take a while. After it's done saving, this is the end result. Hope
How are you doing?
This video.
I'm fine, and you?
Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Too.
Thank you.